that time our topic, another very important topic is Coulomb's law in accordance to Newton's third law of motion. First, I will discuss with you the vector form of vector form of Coulomb's inverse coil law. Then we relate with Newton's third law of motion and how they were following out that Coulomb's law, Newton's law of motion. Because these two different elements are there. This is electrostatic and this is mechanics. But they relate to each other because science is science. They were related each and every time. Then please see on that side. First, Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? If this is an Q1 charge, this is another plus Q2 charge. Correct? Then on Q1, they are implementing a force is in this direction 1 2. This is vector formation, total vector form. On second and first one is applying a force F21. Correct? And there is a distance between these two. In accordance with that, related to this one, another distances are used. For this one, another distance, basic distance is vector R. Clear? Is in this condition. F12. What do you mean by 12? It means force on first charge due to second. Force on first due to second. There is K is a constant. That's value. Basically, we know that K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Previous video we already discussed. Then K. Then there is Q1, Q2. There is scalar quantity. We are not using a vector sign, but there is R21 square because Q1, Q2 upon R square. There is 2-1. It means 1, the force on 1 implementing a second. Then the distance is second to first. There is. And unit vector is 2-1. This is 1 to force. And for second, F21. What is F21? It means the force on second due to first repulsive. Again against K. Q1, Q2 upon R is 1, 2. And square into unit vector of 1, 2. This is a constant. This is basically a vector formation, vector form of this one. And how to relate these two for Newton's third law. Okay, come on this side. Please see. This very simple concept, according to me, F12 is K, Q1, Q2 upon R21. That's a square. And unit vector of 21. If we are replacing these two, unit vector 21 is equal to unit vector of 1, 2. Right, correct? That's simple. Is in this condition, it is equal to K, same as minus K, Q1, Q2 upon R of 1, 2 square and unit vector of 1, 2. Correct? This is negative. And this value is equal to 1, 2, it means equal to 2, 1. Then we put F12 is equal to minus F21. It means there is Coulomb's inverse square law. Follow there Newton's third law. Equal but opposite. Negative sign is representing here opposition. It means both the forces are equal but opposite to each other. Hence, is it this way? We say that Coulomb's law in accordance to Newton's third law. It means it's follow the Newton's third law. Please write now. On behalf of this concept, we are defining two very important significance. Please see on board again. First significance. Explain Significance. Significance. What do you mean by the significance? That's very simple concept. Q1, Q2 is more than 0. What is the meaning of this thing? Q1, Q2 is more than 0. And second is, this is first. And the second is, Q1, Q2 is less than 0. What is the significance of these two questions? First, Q1 into Q2 is more than 0. That means its product is more than 0. It means this value is always positive. This value is always positive. How? Q1 is equal to Q2. I don't know. Nature is saying positive. Positive is in this condition. The product of these two, Q1 and Q2, is again more than 0. If both the charges are negative, again the product of Q1 and Q2 is more than 0. It means that significance is both the charges are similar in nature. It meaning is plus Q1 and Q2, they were moving in this way. Isn't this significance? Q1, Q2 is more than 0. Or both are negative charges, again they were in this direction, and then Q1, Q2 is more than 0. The significance of this is both the similar charges, both charges are similar and both has their same in nature. But is in this condition, it means its value is less than 0. It means Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative. Same as plus and minus. This is Q1, this is Q2, and they attract to each other. And the significance again, both are different in nature. Different in nature. Nature is different. Nature is different. Both the charges have different nature. And is in this condition, the product of these values is negative. It means Q1 is positive, Q2 is minus. Then again its answer is minus. It means it is less than 0. Clear? That means they have their different nature and they have their similar nature. In this significance, they have their repulsive force. Repulsive force. And they have their force of attraction. They have their attraction force is in this condition, and they have their repulsion force. This is most important significance of these two quantities. Q1, Q2 is more than 0 and Q1, Q2 is less than 0. For you, please write now again.